Yeah, I'll just show you what I was trying to do. I'd like to shove the key in and lock it open. And go ahead and have that open when I hit that lock. There's nothing on this side. This is the function I'm trying to perform on this side. It does not lock it open or shut. Here is another doorknob. Seems to be the same number or letter on the striker plate. I can open the latch, or I can turn the key 180 and back, one way or another, and go ahead and lock that door. This side also has no key entry or push button. This is what I got on the other door. This is simply what I'm trying to do. Have that door open on the key side and stay open.
Architectural Builder's Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Which lock are we talking about?
I'm just a maintenance guy. I didn't officially install the doorknob. On the inside piece, it has 15202 on it. I'm not sure how to identify which one I got here without the box. It's got a key on one side and just a blank handle on the other.
Okay, I hear the words. I understand what you're saying. I don't know what what kind of lock you have.
Okay, maybe the question is, the problem I'm having, it's got key on one side, nothing on the other. Okay. I'm not being able to lock it open, so I can just open the doorknob without the key on either side. Is there is there something internally that I need to switch over or turn a quarter turn or?
So you have nothing out, it's blank on the other side. When you mean blank, is there truly nothing?
Yeah, there's no push button, there's no twist, nothing. It's just blank, and on the outside I can enter a key.
What's blank?
The handle itself.
So you have something on the inside. There happens to be a handle.
Just a handle. Yeah.
Okay.
So no push button, nothing to lock. So
on the outside you can always leave. On the inside you always need the key to come in, and you cannot leave it in the unlocked condition ever. Okay. No, is that correct?
Well, the outside where the key is, I can't unlock it to where I can not have to put a key into it to get through.
Yeah, and you can't change it. I understand. But you can always get out. Okay, that's called the storeroom function. There is no modification that you can make in the field to the lock to turn it into the function that you want, which is called a classroom function.
Okay.
You need a new lock.
Well, I got several of them around, and I got the same lever action in several doors. And the key, you turn it 180 and it'll lock it shut, and then you turn it the other way 180 and it'll lock it open. And I can open the door from both sides without the key.
Sure. That's because you have two different functions at your site. You've got some storeroom and you've got some classroom.
Okay.
It is possible that the lock that you have was put together incorrectly. But you'd have to investigate that. If I were to try to determine if that was true, on the storeroom, the one that you're having trouble with, I would remove the outside lever. Yeah. Then I would insert a small slotted screwdriver down in there and allow it to act as a tailpiece and rotate There will be a slotted item inside of there. Rotate that carefully to its maximum in both positions and see what the action is. If the action changes, then it could be that it's been assembled incorrectly.
Okay. There is a barrel on the outer part of what you're talking about that'll turn virtually 180 from back and forth.
Okay.
But as far as in the hole, I don't have nothing small enough to get in there.
You say that you have a Hager lever lock.
Correct. So I didn't. It's just not wanting to lock open to where I don't have to use a key.
So when you insert something down into the barrel and you turn it, it's spring loaded and comes right back to its original position?
Where that flat tab goes into on the key side.
On the back of the cylinder?
Yeah.
So if you stick your slotted screwdriver down there and you turn it carefully, if it springs back to the original position, there's no way to convert that. Now, if Hager offered the parts and offered the parts diagram and the instructions to do it, you could do it. But they don't any of that. If it was a Schlage lock or someone else, you can definitely buy the parts to convert that in terms of function. But it's not typical to be able to do that. So if you want to have that either always locked or always unlocked on the key side or secured side, you're going to need a different lock. You're going to need a new
different lock.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I just was thinking maybe I just needed to stick my key in the lock and turn it a quarter turn and flip something over and.
Yeah, but you've tested that.
And
you've gone down in the throat of that thing, and you can tell that that's not possible. Because when you stick your screwdriver down there and you turn the cam that's in there, it will pull the latch bolt back. But as soon as you let your screwdriver go back, it snaps or springs back to the original position. So you can't do that.
Can't do it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess I'll have to get a different doorknob then.
Yeah, you need a different chassis at a minimum for sure.
Yes.
Push comes to shove, we can certainly help you with that.
Okay. Well, do you carry these Hager door latches, lever action doorknobs?
Yeah, levers. We are Hager distributors. I'd have to know which Hager lock you have. They have more than one lever style. You can email me a photograph of it.
Okay. Just by looking at a photograph, you can tell, or is there some number on here that you, like I said, there was a 15202 stamped on this where it goes into the door itself, that bigger part of the barrel.
Yeah. So the answer is yes to the latter. Yes. I'm sorry, to the former. The answer is yes. I can narrow it down based on the photograph.
Okay. Well, I'll send you some pictures and see what we can figure out there.
Sounds like a plan. I'll give you my email address.
Okay.
Or if you want, just tell me yours and I can email you and you can reply to it. Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.